Hello, welcome to Tim Anderson Horse Training. Today I want to talk about how you use your hands affects your horse's balance and distribution of his weight on his feet. Before we get started, I'd like to ask you to click the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, and if you are, I want to thank you for coming back and watching this video. Now, to talk about how you pull your reins affecting your horse's weight, there's a couple different ways I can pull. A lot of times when you get on a young horse and you start pulling out here, I want you to watch what his center of his chest does. If I pull his nose out here, see his weight coming this way? So by pulling down and out, you're putting weight on this shoulder right here, which, depending on what you're wanting to do, that might be what you want, might not be what you want. So another way I can pull up. Now if you notice there, his head still came this way, but his center of his weight stayed centered, or maybe even shifted out just a little bit. There we go. See that weight shift to the right and head to the left. Good boy. So by using my hand more up, I'm shifting his weight over this way. So depending on what you're wanting your horse to do, that might be the direction you want to use your rein. Another thing you can do, if you were to pull more back, he's bringing his head over to the side, and he's basically staying centered with his body. So I can pull his weight out by pulling out. I can keep him centered by pulling back. I can shift his weight to his outside front foot by lifting up. So I hope that helps you a little bit with how you use your hand affecting your horse's weight on his front end. Different things you might be doing with him, or different things you might be asking him to do, you might pull a different way. That's basically 3 different ways you can pull. So if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, or if you have any comments. Let me know how you use each rein pull. What would you use pulling out here to the side for? What would you use pulling back for? What would you use pulling up for? Let me know. Different ways you can pull, you will accomplish different things. Thank you for watching today. Hello, welcome to Tim Anderson Horse Training. Today I want to talk about how you use your hands and pull on the bridle affects how the horse's weight is distributed in his feet.